Dear students, as you have already learned that how to enter the data into SPSS in form of the two variables if you are given with the contingency table. So for that very contingency table, we have translated that data in form of the two variables. One was the before and other was the after. In this module, I would be explaining you the procedure of following the McNemar test in the SPSS software. So students, if you just open up the SPSS software, then you would be looking into this particular window. This is the interface window of SPSS. So there are two options. One is the data view and another is the variable view. So by making use of the variable view, we have already defined the two variables before and after. We have already translated the data of contingency table in form of these two variables under before and after. Now the procedure for the McNemar test is that you have clicked on to the Analyze button. Further, you will have to click on to the non-parametric test, then the legacy dialogues, and finally, you will have to click on to the two related samples option. Students, once you have done that, तो आपके सामने ये दो windows appear हो रही हैं. The first window that is containing your two variables of interest, one was before and other was after. Students, अब आपने क्या करना है, इस before और after variables जो कि left पे appear हो रहे हैं, इनको using this button, arrow button, आप लेके जाएंगे variable 1 के under before को. उसके बाद आप after पे click करेंगे. Again आप इस arrow के button पे click करेंगे और variable 2 would appear in, after would appear under the variable 2. Once you are done with that, आप इन दोनों variables को जो कि आपके required variables and the McNemar test, अब आप इनको by making use of this arrow right side पे under test pairs ले जा चुके हैं. उसके बाद अगर आप देखिए तो आपको बहुत सी test types दी हुई हैं. But we know that we would have to click on to the McNemar test. Then further you will have to click on to the options button. So students, options button पे जब आप click करेंगे तो ये window appear होगी. Two related samples options. यहाँ पे you will enable the option of descriptive. यानी आप tick करेंगे इस option को under the statistics. Then you will click on to this continue button and finally you will click on to the OK button. So students, in this module you have learned the demonstration onto the procedure of McNemar test under the SPSS. So students, for that you have already defined two variables. आपकी problem में दो variables थे. One was the before training and other was the after training. आपने उस data को translate किया contingency table से in form of two variables. Further, after following this procedure which we have discussed, you can obtain the results under the McNemar test.